Big news coming out of crypto these days. With a noticeable slump in Bitcoin, we're seeing a huge downturn spread across the marketplace. Although the bear market is set to hit across Q4 this year, bullish investors have been forced to hold for the time being. That being said, we have huge news regarding the latest Ethereum EIP-1559 update that could potentially crash the entire system, as well as moves from Bitcoin as it looks to scale up its services for the future. An exciting new program looking to enter the untapped African crypto space by offering insurance to farmers, as well as the unbelievably micro-sized 22 kilobyte MINA blockchain and its brand new CEX listings. Thank you for joining us today at No Cap Crypto. We've got the answers to these questions and more covered. Make sure you stick around and pay close attention because you do not want to miss out on the rumors, speculation, and hard facts that we've uncovered during our investigation. The biggest player in crypto these days is Ethereum, considering Bitcoin and its reputation as the cryptocurrency gold standard. The team behind Ethereum has been working tirelessly in an effort to introduce new features that have not only pushed Ethereum to the top, but also radically changed the DeFi space in the process. But any seasoned investor will tell you that it is only a matter of time before a fall. Many are claiming that Ethereum is set to see a slump within months, with estimates as early as mid-July. In fact, it is the next planned update for Ethereum, the EIP-1559, that is rumored to crumble the entire ecosystem. Are these baseless rumors? What exactly is EIP-1559? What does it mean for Ethereum? And what does it mean for regular investors? Firstly, let's take a close look at what exactly the Ethereum team has planned with this EIP-1559 release. Now, EIP is the Ethereum Improvement Proposal and traditionally aims to improve the features and functions of the blockchain and ecosystem. But why is it that many are claiming that this could overwhelm and destroy the blockchain? Well, the development of the EIP-1559 hasn't exactly been a smooth process, with the developers encountering and rectifying a large number of issues and errors that could have potentially destroyed the entire blockchain. That's literally a multi-billion-dollar sector of the crypto markets that could have gone up in smoke. What are the big updates and changes that we can expect to see from the rollout of the EIP-1559? And is it worth all this drama? Besides a wide array of general quality of life improvements and spring cleaning, the fundamental improvement is the destruction or burning of Ether tokens alongside every transaction. Confusing stuff, sure, but every time a transaction is made that is reflected across the Ethereum blockchain, be it an exchange through Uniswap, stablecoin transferal, NFT purchases, literally any transaction, ETH or the Ether token shall be destroyed. This is big news and is a huge upset to too many financial instruments implemented across the Ethereum network. Many dApps operate on the pre-existing mechanics behind the current blockchain, but have been expecting this deflationary implementation for quite some time now. The EIP-1559 update is one of the first in many big steps towards Ethereum 2.0. This is partially a complete overhaul of the current transaction fee system, with users sending fees to the network itself to be burned. Burning Ether tokens means a decreased supply. Of course, this will result in an increased value due to higher demand. However, the Ethereum team also maintains that this burning process shall result in Ethereum reaching new levels of stability. So many of us already know the glaring issues with Ethereum, such as ludicrously high gas fees and lengthy transactional times. Although not really a drain on larger investors, retail financiers are really being put off by this. The EIP-1559 rollout aims to address these issues at its core by easing congestion of the network. Hey, are you liking the video so far? If so, I have good news. Make sure you like and subscribe to No Cap Crypto because we release videos like this every week. Also, comment below something related to the video and make sure to stay to the end to not miss anything important. Now, Ethereum is certainly making big moves, but that does not mean that Bitcoin is sitting idly by. The market dominator Bitcoin has recently received a $150,000 grant from both BitMEX and Human Rights Foundation towards a Korean-based Bitcoin scaling researcher. Although still in the early days, the plans surround improvements around the Bitcoin deployment process alongside reducing the initial block download time in Bitcoin. These Bitcoin scaling solutions are certainly refreshing to many investors, considering the fact that the outdated proof of work coin has been experiencing constant criticism in recent times. Crypto is certainly the way of the future. DeFi services are beginning to enter our daily lives and have now sought to enter the heart of Africa through an exciting new pilot program that is looking to provide crop insurance coverage to around 10,000 Kenyan farmers. This service is backed by both Ethereum and Chainlink and operates based on some pretty novel concepts. dApps has started venturing more and more into the insurance sector, considering the vast amount of methods in which teams are looking to offset trading losses. It is certainly very exciting to see this sort of adoption entering more traditional industry sectors. Although still very much in the early testing stages, the core idea behind this farming-based insurance is being offered to farmers looking for both drought or flood insurance. This project aims to simplify and automate the insurance and approval process through the usage of Chainlink's Oracle service and the smart contract layer. The proposed model is set to completely automate the entire insurance process, from locking assets and then gathering data. If, for example, less rain was to be reported in an area and thus considered a drought, the system would automatically pay out the client, no brokers, no processing, no paperwork, nothing. With many foreseeable issues and potential problems with the proposed system, should this test program be a success and see further implementation across the industry, Chainlink holders will certainly be very happy to hear that their asset is entering the relatively untapped African crypto space. Now, the last bit of big news out of crypto that we have for you today is the spread of the MINA protocol. An extremely exciting and highly lucrative project, MINA has billed itself as the world's lightest blockchain in existence. In fact, this small size is a core part of the blockchain's design philosophy, with the entire MINA blockchain around 22 kilobytes in size. So of course, this means that authenticating and verifying the network should take a matter of seconds, compared to the ever-increasing size of other blockchains, 300 gigabytes and growing. The fixed 22 kilobyte size is an extremely novel and highly attractive feature that has garnered the project a noticeable amount of buzz since its announcement. The back-end development is all sorted and the technology behind MINA seems to be operational. Regardless of the number of users and years of transactional history, the blockchain has been designed to maintain this ludicrously tiny size. Of course, the true value generation behind any blockchain can be gauged through the number of decentralized apps that are looking to build on MINA. As of now, there currently exists a respectable number of distinct financial instruments, although that number is expected to grow. The first ever compressed blockchain MINA is beginning to get featured across a wide range of exchanges, and it certainly appears to be a brilliant time to get involved. The MINA protocol can currently be viewed across CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, and most recently, Kraken. Please do not take anything above as financial advice. Do your own research and make wise financial decisions. Thank you for joining us today at No Cap Crypto. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our next video, and I'll see you in the next one.